Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we will see how to change the keyboard layout to solve an issue with entering special characters on a PC or laptop running Windows 11. This is a very easy and simple video. First, we will look at our problem, then we will solve it. I go to Notepad and open my on-screen keyboard. I type something, I type the @ symbol, and it doesn't display the special character. Moreover, none of my special characters are working, and we're going to fix this problem, right? This really is a very easy and simple video. First of all, we can see here that all the special characters are changed. The @ symbol, the $, or here we find the pound symbol or other special characters, and we are going to solve this problem. All right, I'll close this. I'll minimize this, and I want to go to the language and region settings or the language settings. There are two ways to access the language settings. The first way is simply to go to the taskbar. Right-click on the taskbar at this spot. Here we find our language option. Click on this language option, and here we find the language preferences, right? And we go directly to the language preferences or the language option, okay? There is a second way, all right? Click on Start, type Settings, and click on Settings. In the settings, we find Time and Language. In Time and Language, we find Language. Click on Language, and here we find the language option again, okay? Here, we see that our language option is United Kingdom. In your case, it might be different. It could be UK, US, or any other language different from our international keyboard. Now, you just need to click on Add a Language. We simply add a new language. Click on Add a Language, and I just type English here. In English, I want United States International, so I just scroll down and find United States. Here we find English. Always use English. Click here, then click Next. Don't change any options. Click Install. Now, your language is being installed. This takes a few minutes, so be patient. Now, our language is installed. Click here and just go to this option at the top. If you want to remove it, click here, then on this Remove button. Now, close it. Now, once again, I open the on-screen keyboard and go to Notepad. And this time, we can see that the @ key and all the special characters appear on our screen, on our keyboard. All right? I just press the Shift and 2 keys, and all the keys work correctly. So, friends, this is the simplest way to change the keyboard layout to solve our problem. So, thank you for watching this video.